Good morning, student. Today we are going to study cash book, a new topic that is called contra entry. My dear student, contra entry is very effective or important treatment while you preparing cash book. So first you have to understand what is contra entry. My dear student, in contra entry you will see that there will be no effect. Why we are not effect? Let's see with the help of the example. The first example I am going to give you cash deposited into bank. I am going to write here cash deposited into bank. Okay. The first example, cash deposited in bank. So what is the journal entry, my dear student? What is the journal entry? Cash deposited in the bank? Simple. You have already know bank account debited to cash account. It is a journal entry. Okay. So let's take example rupees 5,000. Okay. So what you observe, cash deposited into bank. So cash deposited into bank, it means your bank balance is going to be increased, but your cash balance is going to be decreased. So what you happen? One thing is going to increase, another thing is going to decrease. It is a situation. In this situation, how do you put this thing in the cash book? Your cash book is going to be not affect, because this bank or cash balance is for whom, that is a proprietor, it is going to maintain, but features are same. So what is the entry? Bank account debited to cash account. So bank amount is going to increase and cash amount is going to decrease. So how do you put? You just put that, you see the bank column is where? Bank column is in the debit side. Okay, in the debit side. So you move debit side here. Okay, in bank you will write the reason to cash. You write the reason to cash account and write in the bank column rupees 5,000. It shows that bank account is going to be raised with the help of the cash. Okay, it is a reason you have to write cash account in the receipt side, cash account in the receipt side. Now what will be recorded in the credit side? In credit side you observe cash account, so you will go in the credit side, put the reason bank account, not write cash account. In bank account you will write cash column 5,000. Another way you can understand simple, cash is going to be decreased, and deposited into the bank. Okay, another way you can able to understand, your cash is going to be decreased and deposited in the bank account. It is a journal entry. That is why in the ledger folio column we have to show it is a contra entry. So capital C will be going to be maintained. Capital C is going to be maintained. That is contra entry. It is the first example. Now the second example is that cash withdraw from bank rupees 2,000 for office use. What is the entry? In this situation, bank amount is going to be decreased and cash amount is going to be increased. So your journal entry is that cash account debited to bank account. Simple. Cash account debited to bank account. Okay. So you just put this thing into the cash book. How to put? You observe that cash is here in the debit side. So you move to the debit side here. Okay. Write down reason to bank. It is a reason by which your cash is going to increase 2000 in the cash column. Now bank is the credit side. You write down buy bank. Buy bank. Okay. Buy bank. No, you will not write buy bank. You will write buy cash. Okay. Buy cash account in which column? That is a bank column, rupees 2000. So simple. You withdraw the cash from the bank. It means your bank balance is going to be decreased, and here your cash balance is going to be increased. Now take the third situation of the contra entry, my dear student. Here it is a third situation in which that you observe I have taken on 15th March a check receipt from Deepak of rupees 5000. Okay, simple. A check receipt from Deepak, but this check is deposited on 23rd. It means not deposited on the same day. So what will be the journal entry when the check is going to be received from Deepak? Okay, so you will write Deepak is going to be give a check on which date? So you write bank account debited rupees 5000 to Deepak account 5000. It is a on which date? 15th March. What will happen on 23rd March? On 23rd March, the check is going to be deposited into bank. It is a contra entry. So you will write contra entry. How? The check is deposited on the contra entry on 23rd March. So what will you write? Your cash, your bank is going to be increased. Okay, your check is going to be deposited, bank account debited to cash account. How much? 5000. This entry will be passed on. This entry will be passed on 23rd. Okay, 23rd March. The bank account is going to increase. Okay, so you will just write down why. So in this situation, what you observe, there will be two entry. When check is received, you will pass this entry, and when the check is going to be deposited, you will pass this entry. So how to put this here? On 15th March, you will pass this to Deepak. In bank column, you will write 5000. Okay. Now on 23rd March, you will write to cash. This is the reason. Okay, to cash. What to cash? And you will write in which side? To cash, in which you write in bank side. Okay, so you will going to be write in the bank side. So you are going to write down bank side. Once a minute. Bank side. Okay. Similarly here also, this side also. Buy cash account. What do you write? Cash account. Cash account, bank account. How much amount is? 5000. So once you have to recall this situation, when Deepak is given this amount, okay, when Deepak is given this amount, we assume here cash. Okay. because check is not clear, we assume cash. So you will put it this entry here. What we observe that Deepak account debit in debit side, that is receipt side, and you will record that 5,000 in which place? In cash side. Okay. When check is deposited, you will pass this entry bank account debited to cash account. Okay. So what you observe? Ultimately, it is a contra entry. You put it here C. You put here C. This is the contra entry. My dear student, you observe two things here. The first thing is that when check is received, you put it here cash account debited to Deepak account. Okay, this check is not going to deposit on the same day, but this check is deposited in another day, that is 23rd March. You will pass this entry. That is why it is treated as contra entry. So see here, when Deepak has given a check, you put it here 5,000 rupees in cash. Okay. See, on 23rd, what will happen? Your bank is going to be increased 5,000 and your cash is going to be decreased by 5,000. So this is the contra entry. Okay. So keep remember all this contra entry, my dear student, because it is very important for your examination. Thank you.